Welcome to another episode of Math Class. I am your host, the math teacher, and we're looking at lesson 52, all about the UFO, also known as order of operation, right? UFO, O-O-F-O. When it comes to understanding order of operation, we have a very simple thing we need to follow. We got the PEMDAS, also known as the please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. What is this talking about? We start with what are known as parentheses. Then we start working with exponents or square roots. And then we're going to multiply, divide, add, and subtract. And of course we're going to do this always going starting on the left, moving to the right. Let's take a look at what this means. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. For our first contestant, we have this wonderful problem that says 2 plus 4 times 3 minus 4 divided by 2. Step 1, there are no parentheses, so we can skip that step. Step 2, there are no exponents or square roots, so we can skip that step. Moving on to step number 3 then, multiplication and division. My dear. Now technically these two fall in the same category, and so it's really one step, but we do want to start on the left and then move to the right. So as we look at this problem, our first thing we're going to see is we have this problem, and then our second problem that we're going to solve is this problem. And so as we solve this, we come away with a new problem. Two plus 12 minus 2. Now we're going to do our Aunt Sally's portion of this with adding and subtracting, going from the left to the right. So 2 plus 12 is 14. And then, of course, we have to subtract that final 2 and come away with a final answer of 12. Congratulations, you have gone through the practice round. It's your turn now for challenge number 1. If this is a game show, I'd say you have 30 seconds, but take all the time you need. Hopefully made good use of, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And now we want to apply this to different kinds of expressions, such as this expression says A plus A times B. And now we need to plug some numbers in. It says if A is 3, okay, A is 3, so it's going to be A plus parentheses A times B is 4. And so we have 3 plus 3 times 4. And so with this expression then I can go ahead and solve using my order of operation. I know 3 times 4 equals 12. And then of course I need to add my 3 to get a total answer of 15. And so we have that idea also. Alright, you've done it once again. There's your practice. Let's see if you can take on challenge number 2. And finally, we get to door number 3, which is, well, you'll have to come to class to see it. That's it for now from the math teacher and lesson 52.